Huwag nating kalimutan na ang pangunahin nating layunin ay ang pagpapaganda ng ating mga batas at polisiya. Nakikita na natin ang mga gaps sa ating mga polisiya sa birth registration, border control, cyber fraud at iba pa. We need to make sure our hearings achieve this purpose. Otherwise, all our efforts will be for naught. Hindi ko na po ito patatagalin pa. I will ask my colleagues if they have opening statements. At pagkatapos niyan, we'll ask the COMSEC to recognize the resource persons and administer the oath to those here for the first time. Para po sa maalwan na daloy ng pagdinig na ito and to give everyone a chance to ask questions. After the chair, we will limit po the questions to 15 minutes per senator. Tapos, ay tignan natin kung pwede tayong mag-round 2. In order of arrival po tayo, ito po ang sequence. Pagkatapos ng chair, si SP Pro Tempore Sen Jinggoy, Senate Minority Leader Sen Coco, Senator Joel, Senator
Miss Alice Go to remove her face mask. Kung totoo siya talaga si Alice Go.
Please remove your mask, Ms. Go.
Siya nga.
Yes.
Good morning, Madam Chair, and to our esteemed colleagues. Miss Alice Go, kumusta ka na? Kumusta ang pagbabalik sa Pilipinas mo?
Miss Alice.
I told you to remove your face mask. All throughout the hearing.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Okay naman po.
Okay. Marami ka litrato, naka-peace sign ka pa and all smiles kasama ang mga tauhan ng NBI at mga BI at tiga Bureau of Immigration. Nakakadismaya ito at napaka-unprofessional. Bigyan niyo naman ng dignidad ang inyong mga trabaho. Alice Go, sino ka ba talaga? Alam na namin lahat through the hearings conducted by this committee na hindi ka Pilipino. Hindi totoo lumaki ka sa farm, hindi totoo si Teacher Rubilin, hindi rin totoo na simpleng mamamayan ka lang. Puro kasinungalingan ang istorya na isinuwalat. At ito Senate hearings that you were present and you were under oath, but you fearlessly fabricated stories and fed the Filipinos a pack of lies. And in stark contrast to the purported image that you grew up in a farm and was only involved in hog and poultry raising, some 28 billion flowed through your bank accounts despite your companies earning meager income.